The amount of sand sold in a ton in the last 7 days was as follows: 1.9, 0.6, 1.1, 0.5, 0.6, 1.2, 0.6, 2.0. What is the median amount of sand in tons sold in the last 7 days? I'm going to start by reordering these numbers from least to greatest. The median is the middle value in an ordered dataset, serving as the measure of central tendency. This means if I cross out the values from either end, making my way to the middle, I should get the median. However, I have an odd number, meaning there is no middle value. So what do I do? When dealing with the dataset with an odd number, you take the two middle values, which here is 0.6 and 1.1. You take the average of them, meaning you add both values together and then divide by 2. Here we get 0.85, which is our median value. Thanks for watching.